this is a Take to the Air, and this is the latest, and I call it PBF2 because it's a second prototype of this plane. Plastic bottle fuselage. Can you see it well? And this is a new wing we have. It's a 2.5 meters roughly wing, and I'll discuss it later when we're back at home. Thank you very much. And today is the maiden flight. I've already had a little try just a few minutes ago, and it was doing pretty well. So it's not quite the very first one, but still pretty maiden today. Are you ready, Michelle?
Yeah.
Ready? Let's go. Okay, this time it climbs a little bit too much. I've overdone it. Or maybe not. No, it's okay. So today is no wind. That's beautiful for a maiden anyway. The only problem I had is, well, I kind of had, I've painted the wing and I've added 40 grams just by painting it. I could not believe it.
But you just use normal gloss.
Yes, that was a hard try. So gloss is maybe not what we want to do next time. And I've put some tape at the back of the wings to make the angle sharper so that well, it flies better hopefully, and it's looking pretty good. So the goal is to have something which can do
Gliding.
some gliding and soaring. Thank you, Michelle. So let's see how it goes slowly first. Okay, it's pretty responsive actually. It glides good. There is a little nose dip sometimes. Okay, coming towards us. Watch yourself.
You sawed it, yeah.
Sorry.
It's alright.
Okay, let's go a bit higher and see how it goes. It's not designed to do loops, but well, what the hell. Huh? Watch yourself. Okay, I'll do a few slow here. Oops. With a bit of wind, look at how it holds. Yeah, I can feel a little bit of wind now. Yep. It's just hard to tell. So the wind is coming from that direction, so I'll come slow. Oops. No more control.
Okay.
So a hard landing. I'm not sure what happened, but oops.
Oh.
We kind of broke a bottle.
Is it melted?
Melted. No, I don't think so. No, it's fine. And it's just, oh, that's it, it's back in place. Okay. So,
telemetry lost.
okay, well that's normal.
Telemetry recovered.
It just felt like I was losing control of it. That's definitely not coming from the wings. You see, it just died. Interesting.
Maybe it's your dodgy
Dodgy. Dodgy what?
propeller.
No, I don't think it was power. The end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and we had a great time filming it anyway. I just mentioned one thing during the video. I mentioned the tape, well, the length of the wing, which is only actually 1.6 meters after double checking, and 22 centimeters chord. And well, the tape idea at the end was to, here I hope you can see it, it was to create a wing with a sharper end here to try to make it less turbulence when it flies, and increasing slightly the chord, but 1.5 centimeters. Well, you could see it in the flight. It's working pretty well. I'm not sure how much this affect the wing. Maybe more testing needed here. So anyway, have a great day. Take to the air off. Bye bye.